Eran at itar William. We stay hi. Era kukunengit. Era kukunengit era resuki era sam. Itar uwe. Her real name is Catherine. Eirengirika. Eirengiritan. If I tobo. What's your real name? Her name is Molly. Hmm? Hmm? This little girl right here. That one. Yeah. That little girl right there. Her name is Mommy Lynn. Yeah, we call her Mara. And ngang, ite auntie mommy, nge, people call me Tirin. So yeah. We, awe, ninin. Mama, ready fa? Mamar. And this is our Fitikoko room. It's really Fitikoko. I don't know why we're using that aircon, but the aircon is on. The other one. Erasam! Erasam! Why are you doing that?